Wait, where the hell am I? This definitely wasn't on the route map.
Yo, little dude, you're in the wrong neighborhood.
I'm looking for the baby factory.
Bro, this is the chewing department.
Why is the floor moving?
That's the tongue, genius.
This body is broken. Oh, shit! I didn't sign up for this roller coaster!
Good luck, buddy.
Where am I now?
Welcome to the stomach.
The what?
How do I get out? Nobody gets out.
We all become poop eventually.
That is the worst news I've ever heard! So you're telling me I traveled all this way for absolutely nothing?
Yep.
Man, what the fuck?